Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your VW Jetta's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, power problems, or component failures. Start with the simplest solutions. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes. For persistent problems, enter diagnostic mode by pressing and holding the volume knob while starting the car to access service menus. These DIY fixes resolve about 70% of cases. Also, ensure your Jetta's battery voltage is above 12 volts, as low voltage can cause resets. Remember, VW has been actively rolling out over-the-air updates. Ensure you have the latest version to resolve software vulnerabilities. If basic troubleshooting doesn't restore your Jetta's infotainment system, the issue might involve hardware or deeper software corruption. Check for physical damage, like water ingress, which can affect internal components. Consider reflashing the firmware via USB, though this is best done by a dealer using VW's VAS6160i tool. If you experienced a software update that caused a black screen or no sound, the update could be corrupted and should be reflashed. Know when to call in the experts, especially if your car is under warranty. A visit to the dealership might be necessary for hardware replacements, like a faulty screen or amplifier. According to VW's 2025 data, infotainment-related warranty claims are decreasing due to improved software and OTA updates, but hardware failures still require professional intervention. Ignoring the problem will cause it to get worse.